Okay.
Because zinakujanga during winter, zinarudi during summer.
Okay. So these are tourist birds.
We can say.
Okay. Some of them.
Yeah, ni mimi nazipea hiyo jina.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Because zinakujanga kama wazungu.
So these are the birds of East Africa. You said we have how many species?
About 1,100.
We have about 1,100 different types of species. All these types of birds are found in East Africa. But we also have birds that migrate from other continents, especially when it's very cold. So there's one here that does that.
Inaitwa secretary because inakuanga na makeup, inakuanga na miniskirt, na inakuanga na stocking.
Oh, so this bird is called a secretary because it has makeup, as you can see it, and it has a miniskirt, and as you can see, it wears stockings.
Yes,
yeah, and it has a, you know, a ponytail. Wow, that's good to know. So all these are the types of birds that we have in East Africa. There's so many. We have 1,000 species from East Africa. So this is the Museum of Nairobi, and it's so rich in culture and history. If you'd like to learn more about the history of Kenya, the culture and traditions of East Africa, I think this is the place to be. 1 minute, I'm coming. Sorry. Bruce, go with them because you're going to get tired. I'm coming. Go with them. So sorry, I'm in a rush because I don't want to miss out on what my tour guide is telling us, is educating us. So I just came. I want to show you the big birds. So this is the museum in Nairobi. Those are owls, too big. Yeah, these are the huge ones. So there you go. There you go. Said we have 1,120 species in East Africa. And these are the types of birds that we have in EAC. So book with Maridadi Tours and get to enjoy all this. That one is a huge one. It's massive. Yeah. All this. All that.
See these teeny tiny eggs, guys?
These ones are big, big, big ones. Take a picture of that. Take a picture of that. I think maybe take a picture of that. I think I'm not gonna be able to finish all this. Let me take a picture of that. I wanted you to see the huge ones, like those ones right there. Oh, these are the beautiful ones from the flamingos. Oh, sorry, I kept you guys, I'm coming. I just wanted to take a picture of these big ones. Okay, so maybe I still at the Kenya National Museum. Bruce is tired. I want to take him to go and eat some pizza. Bruce, say hi. Bruce, say hi. You're on camera. Say hi. Hi. Okay, pass. Yeah, where is the ticket? Give him the tickets. Thank you.